Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Lemon app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on this sign down here. When just click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to push notifications, you just click on it here. So then you come to next step here, come here to interactions here. Just click in this sign. That like you see this color show for us, that's mean interactions notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.